struggling to generate quality leads for your affiliate marketing business, then this video is for you. Instagram has over 1 billion users, and I'm going to show you how to tap into that massive audience to generate leads that actually convert. Whether you are just starting out or you want to 10x your lead generation, Instagram is one of the most powerful platforms that you can use. And today I will share with you 3-step strategy that will help you to attract quality leads. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start getting real results. Let's get started. So first you need to optimize your Instagram profile in a right way. And that is the step 1. Your profile is like an online shop. It's the first thing that people will see when they come to your page. And it should be very crystal and clear about who you are and how you can help other people. Then your profile picture should be clear. Your face should be clearly visible in the picture. Also, don't forget to add keyword in the username. So you can see I have put the username affiliate Namita. So you can put any keyword related to your niche like money, digital in the make money online niche. Some people use fitness, health who are in the health niche. When you add keyword in the username, it will be make it easy for people to find you, because when they will going to search with the keyword like affiliate digital, then your profile will be shown. It will be easy for people to find you. Then your bio should be short and to the point. Mention clearly what you do, how you can help other people, what you offer. Also, don't forget to add the link in the bio. It can be your lead magnet, landing page, or your affiliate product. Now let's come to the step 2. By the way, step 3 is the most powerful step. If you combine step 2 with the step 3, you will get result 10 times faster. Now your profile is ready. It's time to focus on the content. And to generate quality leads, your content needs to be valuable and engaging. It's not just about pretty pictures, graphics, how good it is looking, how perfect it is. It's about solving problems for your audience. Think about the pain points, problems your target audience has, whether they are struggling with the money, finances, health, whatever it is. Create content that offer real solutions, because that will going to build trust among your audience. Once they trust you, then they will buy from you. Maybe many of you have not created even a single piece of content before, or maybe you want to create, but for some reason you are procrastinating your content creation journey. So let me make things easy for you. On Instagram, there are different kinds of content format like Instagram carousels, single post, reels that you can create. When you are just starting out, don't start with creating all the format. You will feeling overwhelmed. Start with one format. I'll tell you which format you can start with. Once you get used to it, then you start creating other format as well. It will make things easy for you. And we all know right now what type of content we watch all the day along. That is Instagram reels, 30 to 60-second short form videos, even on the other platform also, YouTube shorts, TikTok, Instagram reels. Now if you prefer to watch shorts, reels, then just think about it. Your audience is also watching that type of content. So start creating with the Instagram reels, but with the right strategy. Because if you are creating Instagram reels or any kind of content without any proper strategy, then it would not get you any result. You will just end up wasting your time and efforts. Now I'm going to share with you a proven strategy that got me 1.7 million views and 15,000 followers in less than 30 days. So to create viral reels, first you need a viral idea. Let me show you how you can find viral ideas. So first, open your Instagram account, then go to the search bar, put a keyword related to your niche. So like my niche is affiliate marketing, and I can put keywords like make money, passive income, affiliate. So just put a keyword related to your niche. Let's say if I put money here. So it will show me all the accounts related to make money online. Now what you need to do here is click on all of these accounts and you need to find 20, 30 big accounts who has big following in your niche. Once you find the big account, you need to go to their profile and find the viral reels. So viral reel will be the reel that will get 10, 20 times views. So like this 1.1 million, this is a viral reel. 757K, this is a viral reel. Then click on that reel, copy the link and put it in a doc. Same you need to do with the another account. So let's say if I go to another account, so I'll find the viral reels. This account normally gets 40, 50K views. Now if you find a reel that will get to 3, 4 time views, like this got 611K. So this is a viral reel. So first make a list of 20, 30 accounts, big accounts, then you will easily able to find 40, 50 viral reels. So I'll show you one hack. So once you follow the person in the suggestion, you will able to see more influencers. Now you can go to the profile and find the viral reel. You can see I have also done the same thing. These are all the viral reels that I have saved, so that I have something to model, something to take inspiration when I am going to create content. Otherwise I will feel stuck or lost while creating content. Now what you need to do with all these reels, write down the ideas of all the viral reels. So you are playing little smart over here. Why I told you to find the viral reels and make a list of all the ideas? Because all these ideas are already proven. People are already interested in watching these ideas. So now you are going to create content on the same idea. So it will increase your chance to get more views. And that's how you will learn how to create content. Now, only finding viral reel ideas are not enough. You need to package your reels videos in a right way. So there is a framework, three-step framework that I follow in my reels, and it's very simple. Just hook, content, call to action. So in the first 2 3 seconds, you need to add a hook in your reels. Otherwise, people will swipe up your video. If you are starting your videos like this, hey, hello, in this video I will share with you. No, you are not going to start videos like this. In the starting, you will add a hook. In the hook, you can target the pain points, problems of your ideal customer has. Then there will be a content part. And keep your content part very, very simple. Just one idea per reel. Don't add so much information in one reel. Make it very precise and to the point. Then there will be a call to action. It can be like follow for more. It can be like if you want people to share your video, or if you want to people comment a certain word, if you want to give them lead magnet, so you can add call to action at the end. So this is a simple framework I have followed in my videos and I got 1.7 million views. Just make sure to add captions in your videos. If you're not able to do so much editing, that's fine in the starting, but make sure to add captions, text in your video, because many people watch videos without turning sound on. So if your video has text, they will still watch your video. Now with the Instagram reels, you can combine Instagram stories, because Instagram stories are easy to create and will give you more result with less effort and time. Also it will help you to connect with your audience at personal level. So in the Instagram stories, you can share behind the scenes, like what you are doing all the day in your business. Just keep your stories very, very real and unfiltered. You do not need to create fancy stories, do not need to put so much time. Just you can, if you are watching training, you can put a story about that. If you are creating content, you can put story about that. If you have learned something, you can put story about that. Just share your journey in the story, in the Instagram stories. That will help you to connect with your audience at a deeper level. Also you can run a promotion or you can sell in your stories also. Now let's talk about step 3, which is the most important and powerful part of this video. Real gold is here. So you need to engage daily on Instagram for 15 to 30 minutes. You can do even for 45 minutes if you want to. So first, make a list of 40 to 50 big creators, influencers, successful businessmen in your niche. Then post a valuable comment as soon as they post. You can turn on the notification so that you will get to know whenever they post. Be authentic and genuine in your comments. Don't just comment like great post, nice post. These comments will not going to work. You need to add value in your comments. Like you can share what's your learning with that piece of content, or you can add any other thing that you know that will add value in that piece of content that will help other also. So along with my content, this strategy helped me to get 3,500 followers on Instagram and 15,000 followers on Facebook. Also, it opens new opportunities to build a network with other successful people in your niche. Also, don't forget to reply the comments you will get on your content. Reply to all the comments you are getting, reply to all the DMs you are getting, because these are the things that will going to build a genuine relationship with your followers, and that is the key to generating quality leads. The more you will interact with your audience, with your content, with your comments, the more they will trust you. So these are the small things that turn a lead into quality lead and then into a customer. Now you have the complete strategy to derive unlimited quality leads to the affiliate products. But if you don't have the right products, then it will be difficult for you to make money. So if you want to know about the recurring products that will make you commission every single month without doing any extra work, then click here and watch this video.